are going to lunch as we speak. What a fascinating day in court. I'm Jane Millette Mitchell, here with my colleague Ryan Smith. And I've got to tell you that today, I think, is going to be almost the most memorable day of the case because we were introduced en masse to Dr. Conrad Murray's women, so to speak. And there is a phrase that has now emerged in this case that everybody's talking about. And Ryan, you know what I'm saying.
Excuse me, Aaron. There. Okay.
This is my instrument.
Uh-oh.
We know that everybody heard the same testimony from Nicole Alvarez, who's an actress, and who
Lucky.
herself as working.
Oh my God.
And then was asked, what are you working on? She said, I'm working on my instrument.
Well, she feels that her body.
We don't know.
Yeah.
She was talking about her body of work. She's an actress, and you see.
You can say hi.
They took center stage.
Here, the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Take a look.
Okay, no more. No more. Wait. Wait. Ah!
When you refer to an instrument, what are you referring to? Myself.
No. Come on, play with your brother.
Instrument is yourself.
Oh.
We're not trying to make fun of Nicole Alvarez. She has done absolutely nothing wrong.
Egan, play peekaboo with Aaron. Peekaboo.
She had a baby with Conrad Murray.
Again. One more time.
But the reason why we're focusing on this, Ryan, there are certain moments of a trial that capture the imagination, and I think that comment that she made certainly does.
Oh
By the way, these are pictures of Nicole Alvarez with Conrad Murray, their son. All of them playing around. She's the mother, as it says, of Dr. Murray's seventh child. Now, this is a big fact in this case. We're focusing on the women.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Timeline in this case.
Bye-bye.
Okay.